Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and increasingly important area of technology: prompt injection, attacks, and the intriguing concept of invisible prompts. As we increasingly rely on AI for everything from drafting emails to generating creative content, understanding how these systems work and how they can be influenced is crucial for all of us. Let's start with the basics. You're likely familiar with how we interact with AI models. We give them prompts, which are essentially instructions or questions. Prompt injection attacks exploit this very interaction. Imagine someone subtly altering your instructions to an AI, causing it to behave in unintended ways, perhaps revealing sensitive information or generating harmful content. It's like a hidden message within your message, designed to trick the AI. Prompt injection is essentially a way for malicious actors to manipulate AI models by inserting specially crafted instructions into the input. Think of it like this. You ask a helpful assistant to do one thing, but someone else has secretly whispered a different, potentially harmful, command into their ear. This can lead to the AI behaving in unexpected or undesirable ways, sometimes revealing sensitive information or performing actions it shouldn't. Now, what exactly is an invisible prompt? This is where things get really interesting. An invisible prompt is a type of prompt injection where the malicious instructions are hidden from the user. They might be embedded within seemingly innocuous text, encoded in a way that the AI can interpret, but a human eye might miss. This makes them particularly stealthy and challenging to detect. Imagine a document that looks perfectly normal, but contains hidden commands that, when processed by an AI, cause it to act against its intended purpose. This is where things get particularly interesting, and also where we need to be extra vigilant. So how can we navigate this evolving landscape and stay safe? Firstly, a healthy dose of skepticism is always a good starting point. When interacting with AI-generated content or services, especially those that seem unusual or unexpected, it's wise to question the output. For professionals working with AI, implementing robust input validation is key. This means carefully scrutinizing any data or prompts fed into AI systems, looking for any anomalies or suspicious patterns. Think of it as a digital bodyguard for your AI. For developers, a multi-layered approach is best. Implementing strict access controls and continuously updating AI models with the latest security patches are vital. For users, practicing good digital hygiene, such as being cautious about the sources of information and the prompts you use, is essential. Think critically about the AI's output and cross-reference information when necessary. Another important tip is to stay informed. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and so are the methods used to interact with it. Following reputable tech news sources and cybersecurity experts can provide valuable insights into the latest threats and best practices. When it comes to protecting yourself and your systems against AI prompt attacks, a multi-layered approach is most effective. This includes educating yourself and your team. Understanding the risks is the first step to mitigating them. Implementing strong security protocols. This might involve using AI models from trusted providers and ensuring your systems are up to date. Regularly reviewing AI outputs. Don't blindly trust everything an AI generates. Cross-reference information and look for inconsistencies. Being mindful of data sources. Understand where the data your AI is trained on comes from, as this can influence its behavior. By understanding these concepts and adopting proactive measures, we can harness the incredible power of AI responsibly and securely. It's about building a future where AI serves us, not the other way around. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this has been informative and empowering. If you found this helpful, please consider following for more insights into the ever-changing world of technology.